What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here. And in this video, what we're going to talk about is personal eBay accounts versus business eBay accounts. If you're trying to make money on eBay, especially in drop shipping on eBay, there are differences between these accounts, and we're going to get into that in this video. So like and subscribe. If you're a brand new eBay drop shipper, this is for you. If you experience, there may be something to learn in this video. If you have any comments, any questions you'd like me to make videos and answer questions, leave that in the comment section. And if you guys would like help with your eBay dropshipping business, I'll put a link to my calendar in the description so you could schedule a call with me, and I'll give you 15 to 30 minutes and just help you one-on-one. Maybe go through and see what you may be doing wrong and answer any of your questions. So like and subscribe. So personal versus eBay accounts. What are the implications? Why do these make a difference? Why should you care? So at Ecom Sniper, generally, when you sign up for Ecom Sniper, so Ecom Sniper is a software that Sammy and I have been working on for the past 2 years. We have a community for the software and so on, and it helps that you guys, or it helps us who are into eBay dropshipping bulk theory. Now, I've made previous videos talking about the 3 different strategies, but with bulk theory, we encourage all people that sign up for eBay to convert their personal account to a business account. Why? Generally speaking, business accounts give you a minimum. They start you off with 50,000 free listings, and this is outside of this does not talk about the type of subscription that you get, but a $50,000 item limit, selling limit, and anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million selling limit with a business account. A personal account ranges, whether you have an older account or new account. We've seen personal accounts that start off with 2,000, 3,000 listings. I've seen personal accounts start off. Recently, I saw one with 17,000 listings, but the value that was allowed to sell is only about $200,000 in the example that I saw. But generally, personal accounts have a lower seller limit, meaning monthly they limit you to sell a specific amount, and the business account have a higher seller limit. Now, if you have a personal account that's been aged and you have not sold in it yet, I personally would suggest that you convert to you contact eBay, get your LLC, or you could do a sole proprietor. You don't need an LLC, but convert to a business account if you want to do bulk theory drop shipping. Now, if you want to get into the time and do the sniper method, or specifically focus on the product substitution method, you don't need a business account. You don't need a very high selling limit because you don't need tens of thousands of products to generate sales. But the bulk theory method allows you to generate profits with less time, but you would definitely need, for the most part, a business account. There's some people who are lucky enough to have personal accounts with millions of dollars of selling limits. So if you have an eBay account, if you just set up an eBay account, you need to check your seller limit. But this is generally the difference when it comes to eBay dropshipping, and particularly if you are limited to a personal account for whatever reason, you may be limited to the strategies that you implement, but that does not say that you cannot make money drop shipping on eBay. There's a tax implication as well that I generally don't want to go into. I'm not a tax expert. I've done my own taxes. I've paid people in the past to do my taxes. But each person's tax situation is different. But in short, if you have a business account and an LLC, it allows you the LLC allows you more flexibility in certain things that you could put as expenses, and it allows you more control about your profits and the money you get to spend at the end of the day. I just say that briefly without going into too much detail. If you want me to go into detail, or you want me to have a tax expert on the channel to go into detail, we could have that. Like, subscribe. Hopefully I'm not boring you with these videos. Let me know what other videos I could do for you guys. I'll be going into more detail and sharing these strategies from my computer and showing you how to successfully build eBay dropshipping businesses, whether you use Ecom Sniper or not. If you would like to use Ecom Sniper, it is a way to save a lot of time and join a community of guys who are also making money dropshipping on eBay. And I think that is a big part of being successful in 2025 in eBay dropshipping and in online business in a whole. I mean, when I started, we didn't have the luxury of these communities, and you talk to the guys making money, especially when you're just starting out. That helps in your motivation. But anyway, let me stop rambling. Like, subscribe. Have a good one, guys. If you want to talk to me, if you want to have a one-on-one, there's a link to my calendar. Peace.